Hello, Charles William Amir Mansour here, scientist and global business development manager for Agilent Technologies. In this short video, I'd like to walk you through one of many target applications driven by our quantitative imaging and microscopy solutions. Examination of chromogenically stained tissues mounted on microscopy slides are extensively used across clinical diagnostic pathology and cancer research. The convenience of a multi-objective turret system allows low to high magnification of sections from 2.5 to 60x. As shown here, the Agilent Biotech automated imaging systems readily capture montage stitch images across fixed and stained histology tissues, allowing comparisons between normal and diseased tissue. The Auto ROI feature can be useful for scanning a slide containing one or more tissue sections in color bright field, for example, hematoxylin and eosin stained histological tissue sections or biopsy cores. The usefulness is extended by scanning fluorescently labeled tissue sections and imaging these ROIs using one or more channels at higher magnification, such as for the assessment and quantification of biomarkers. Additionally, more traditional imaging modes, such as color bright field, and phase contrast, can be combined with fluorescent channels, resulting in rich data sets. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our application workflow. Feel free to explore other application areas through this video series.